Tanya, Clipsal have built a beautiful showroom here. So for people walking in, experiencing this space, what are they going to find here?
So Tom, good question. What we have here on display is all of our home products that consumers can use in their house. On this side, we've got all of our outdoor weatherproof options. So we've got floodlights, we've got up-down lights, our down lights, our sensors, our EV chargers. And if you come around to the other side, we've got all of our sockets and switches. Starting from our high-end premium brands, so Saturn One Touch, all of that sort of stuff, right down to iconic at the end. We've got all of our fans on display here as well. So we've got, Zen fan and Caloundra fans. So people can come into the centre and actually touch and feel and look at products.
And there's help here, I see. This showroom is staffed, so how do people go about booking an appointment?
Yeah, so we've registered downstairs, and you can get a card that actually has the contact details on how to book an appointment, but we do an electrical consult here. So Jess is one of our consultants that works out of South Brisbane here. She's here 5 days a week, and she actually does the electrical consults. So we do consults for a lot of our partner builders from this centre. So clients come in here and actually bring their plans and get to plot out with an electrical expert where they want everything in their home. So they've got their home exactly how they want it to be.
So if you're looking to select anything electrical with your home, come down and see the Clipsal Showroom at the Build and Design Centre 7 days a week.